Hi, so here we are for the usability testing for our project, handwritten text recognition. This is me, Akshay Chatterjee, and with me I have Siddharth Chatterjee, Abhishek Bang, Rishita Korapati, and Darshita. So, Siddharth, will you start with the question? And
Yeah,
obviously, Raj Anand is the participant.
he's the user here. So Raj, the first question is like if the web application is loading from the run window after the localhost link is generated, can you verify it?
Yeah, it is loading.
Okay.
Okay, great. Raj, can you verify if the landing page of the web page, the web application, has a simple interface for all the first-time users?
Yes, it has a simple interface. Can you scroll down? Yeah, it has a simple interface.
Great, thank you.
Raj, can you verify if the instructions given are sufficient for your navigation?
Yeah, the instructions are sufficient.
Okay, Raj, can you verify if there's like an add image option because this is a handwritten text recognition. So if the add image option is there and once you like hover the mouse button like cursor over it, does it change in color and opacity?
Yeah, it does. There is a button and it's quite clear and visible.
Okay, Raj, can you verify if there is a container for the drag and drop PNG file, and like if there is a select image container?
Yeah, there is a container. It is clearly visible, and
Okay,
on hovering, the color is quite means it's
it's
distinct.
changing. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
it's changing. Yeah.
Raj, can you verify that by clicking on add image, we get the necessary files which we need to upload?
Yeah, clicking on add image opens the pop-up, and on
Can
clicking
you
on
upload
it,
the image
yes,
and see if there is any pop-up?
If there is any pop-up, can you see? There is a
yeah,
feedback.
yes, visible.
Okay, so in option for the handwritten text recognition model.
Yeah. It is present.
Okay. So can you verify if there is character recognition for each and every character in the text that the user uploads when the user click the recognize option? So Abhishek, can you just show the demonstration when the user uploads the image and there is character recognition? Can you show it to Raj?
The recognized text is, "Hi, how are you?"
Yeah, it is audible.
Can you hear
Great.
the audio?
Yes.
Okay. Next question, Siddharth.
Yeah, if the user is pleased with the audio delivery and pace, like is it completely discernible the voice? What the
Yes. The voice is completely understandable and the speed is also quite good.
okay.
Great. Okay, Raj, you might have noticed the various pop-ups that came up while uploading the image, while recognizing the text. So, are you satisfied with it?
Yeah. I am completely satisfied with it. It's
Like
quite
you're
well
getting the
done.
feedbacks from the system, so it's okay
Yeah,
for you.
yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
great, great.
Raj, were you able to verify that the right image was uploaded when we click here and then like
Yeah,
if we
yes.
upload an
I
image,
saw.
it is clear, quite visible, right?
Yes, it
Like
is
you
quite
uploaded
visible.
this. Okay.
Okay. Like if are you able to like use the shortcuts that are being like incorporated by the developers by like us, like drag and drop shortcut.
Like there are two options. You
Uh,
can add an image or you can drag and drop. So that's a shortcut that we have provided. Is it
okay.
sufficient for the
Yeah.
users?
Uh, yes, it is sufficient for the users, and if it is possible to add more, like if it's a text-based speech converter, right? So if the
Yes.
user can type, that can also be handy.
Okay, great, great.
Great,
We'll
great.
try
Good.
to
It's a
work
good
on that.
feedback. Yeah, will great. I think
Okay,
this is it.
Raj, that's the no. That's there's one more question.
Yeah.
Can you can you verify if the user is able to understand the fact that he or she cannot upload a file other than a PNG file? Like while uploading, the user must upload a PNG file. Other than that, other files won't work. So can you please ensure that? Abhishek,
Yes,
can
it
you please
is.
show the?
It is
the upload
ensured and
option.
the instructions are quite clear.
Okay. Thank you, Raj. Rishita, Darshita, would you like to ask the exit questions?
Yeah, I'll ask it. So, Raj, what is your overall impression about the site?
The overall impression is that it is well developed and the audio was quite clear and precise and the conversion rate was quite good. The speed at which the image was getting converted into the audio, that was quite good, and the design is good for the color scheme is good for the eyes. It is not hitting too hard, and all the buttons and everything makes sense what it does, and it's quite clear.
Thank you. Thank you, Raj.
How capable do you think it is? Like, how efficient do you think it works?
Yeah, it was really efficient. The process of adding a PNG image from the user, that is a bit slow, that can be improved upon, but the conversion of the image to the voice recognition uh, thing was quite fast.
Okay, we'll
What
try
is the
to.
best feature about the site, in your opinion?
The best feature was the conversion of the image into the voice form.
Abhishek, can you open the web page?
What did
Yeah.
you like the least about the site? Like, do you think we can improve anywhere?
Yeah, it is a bit too green, like you have just used one color. It's good for the eyes, it is okay, but maybe one or two more colors could be much better.
Okay, great.
Great
We'll try to
feedback.
look on
Good,
that.
good feedback. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rishita, continue the other questions.
Okay, Raj, like if you were the website developer, what would be the first thing you would do to improve this website?
Your voice is not audible. Could you repeat, please?
Okay, if you were the website developer, okay, what would be the
Yeah.
first thing you would do to improve this website?
The thing which I will do to improve.
Yes, the thing you
Uh,
would.
okay, the first and foremost thing would be to change the background because the gradient is quite visible where it is breaking. So have a higher quality background and perhaps try to make the whole thing in React.js so that it is more dynamic uh, and it's more what you can say. It has server side rendering, so the rendering speed can be improved further. And apart from that, maybe a short description of what the project does would be helpful.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
try
Okay,
that.
that's a great input, Raj.
You want documentation, right?
Yeah, documentation.
Is
Okay.
there
We'll allow.
anything that you feel is missing on the site? For example, any kind of features or functions?
I think adding more different image formats and text for the user would be much better.
Great. We'll try to look into that. Thank you, Raj.
If you were to describe the site to a colleague in a sentence or two, what would you say?
Rishita,
Your
your
voice is not
voice is
audible.
breaking.
I will ask it again. If you were to describe this site to a colleague in a sentence or two, what would you say?
I will say that upload an image with a text and it will convert it into an audio.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Good. Good.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks, Raj.
Yeah.
Do you have any final comments or questions about our website?
Any questions you want to ask the developers? You're free. You can feel free.
I and yeah, the overall project is really well done. I really liked it. And what did you use to convert? What software did you use to convert it from the image to
We,
audio?
we
Okay,
basically use
so
the speech API, the Microsoft Speech API, which is a SAPI 5 API, which have male version and a female version. So we used a female voice in that. It's a Tesseract 3 library in Python.
and
And
basically
That's really good.
we're training like the image that you upload that gets divided into various small images, and then we train the model, and then we find a data set for ourselves. So next time when a user uploads a similar kind of image, then those text can be broken and the text can be recognized from there, and that is passed on to that API, that processes the input and gives the audio output
And talking on the
that you want.
languages frameworks part, like main language is Python. We have developed the entire application in Python. Some main libraries frameworks that we have used is Flask, TensorFlow, SciPy, and stuff. Like there's an edit distance library
Edit
as well.
distance library also, yeah.
It's an OpenCV project.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Thank you,
that's
Raj.
all the
Thank you
questions.
for
Yeah.
testing our website, our web page, web application,
Welcome.
whatever you might say. Thank you for being with us.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Raj.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.